Hello everybody, it's Kate. I am going to tell you how to create a brand new YouTube channel. This is going to be a basic video and tutorial, so I hope you will learn everything you need to know, and at the end of the video, you will all be able to create your new YouTube channel. Okay, let's start. Click the sign in button. Then, click create account. Then you have two options, choose for myself, or if you want to manage your business, choose manage your business. Now if you already don't have a Gmail account, or you don't want to associate your existing Gmail account with YouTube, click on the link create a Gmail account instead. Now go ahead and enter your name and last name, choose a name what you want to use for your Gmail account on YouTube. Then enter a password for your new account and confirm your password. Sometimes Google may also ask to put and verify your account with your phone number. So feel free to verify your account. Next, sign into your account. This is where you can control everything you do. Now go to top right corner and click over the profile image icon and click on some of these options, your channel or YouTube Studio Beta. It should redirect you to YouTube Create Channel page from where you can be able to create YouTube channels. Next, go and click on text link, use a business or other name. Now choose a brand account name for your channel. It may be a keyword or whatever you want.